So for example number 2, we're going to graph the top line. So you're going to go down to -2 and draw a dot. The slope on that is -1/1. And it's kind of small there. It's -x. Remember, that means -1/1. So from this point, I'm going to go down 1/1. Then I'm going to draw a dotted line because it's just less than. So I'm going to connect that with a dotted line. Then y is less than that, so I'm going to shade it in, and I'll shade it with a blue thing. So if you've got colored pencils, that'll be really handy. If not, just be careful and pay attention to what color goes, or with what arrow goes with what line. Okay, so we've got the first one done. Now we've got to go to the second one. So you go up to +3 on the y-axis, and you start there. -6 is like -6/1. Remember, you've got to make it a fraction so you can do your slope. So from that point, we're going to go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. Draw your dot there. This one is going to be a solid line because it's greater than or equal to. And anything with that equal to under it is going to be a solid line. So our line would look something like this. And your line doesn't have to be perfectly straight. I need to be able to tell where your line is. Then we need to shade above it. So it's hard when a line is really steep to tell what's above it or below it. If you put your pencil one place on the line and go straight up, that's above it. So anywhere on the line, and then you can see, oh, that's the right-hand side. So all of this is above that line. So our answer is where it overlaps. Well, this isn't shaded at all. This is orange, this is blue. This down here is a section that is both. So that's my answer.